In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks with ease using a quick guide with Intuit. Whether you're just starting with QuickBooks or need a refresher, this tutorial will help you access important features seamlessly. Let's dive right in and take you through each step. First off, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to QuickBooks. You can do this by typing in qbo.intuit.com/apps homepage into your browser's address bar. Once you reach the QuickBooks homepage, you'll find yourself in a world of financial possibilities. It's all intuitive from here on, and I'm here to ensure you have a clear and easy path ahead. Now, once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Settings button. Click on it, and this is where you'll find various customization options and settings that allow you to tweak how QuickBooks fits your business needs. Navigating wisely through these settings can maximize your efficiency with the software, ensuring it delivers precisely what you require for managing your finances. Once inside the Settings menu, your next pit stop is the Chart of Accounts. Click on that option to access your business's financial blueprint, essentially cataloging all your accounts. The Chart of Accounts is crucial as it organizes your business transactions into specific categories. By keeping this area well maintained, you ensure the foundation of your financial data is strong. With that under your belt, it's time to head over to Reports. Select it to open up a powerful array of insights into your business's financial health. QuickBooks' reports are instrumental in making informed decisions, as they present an analysis of your current standing and historical performance. From here, you're on your way to understanding and utilizing data to your advantage. If you're looking for something specific within the reports, especially highlighting key figures, use your keyboard to type in Highlight. With this action, you'll swiftly filter down to the information you're seeking without needing to wade through unnecessary data. This tip comes in handy when time is of the essence, especially during crucial business assessments. Finally, locate the Sales by Customer Detail report and click on it. This poignant report provides detailed insights into your customer sales, compiling all the transactions in an easy-to-digest manner. It's indispensable for understanding your customer base, identifying top clients, and formulating strategies to improve your services. And that's it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly navigate through important QuickBooks features. Remember, the journey through these steps becomes second nature the more you engage with them. Keep exploring and familiarizing yourself with these powerful tools, and soon, QuickBooks will be the trusty companion in your financial endeavors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and guides to help optimize your QuickBooks experience.